Hello everyone. So here in this video we will discuss about a revised syllabus of physics for class 11 and 12 for the current session, that is 2021, which is given by CBSE, that is Central Board of Secondary Education. So here is our syllabus for the current session. First we will see syllabus for class 11, then we will see our syllabus for class 12. So here are some points. You can read these. Senior secondary stage of secondary is a stage of transition from general education discipline based focus curriculum. The present updated syllabus keeps in view. These are not important for you, but you can read. This is mainly for school and teachers. And from here, so this is for class 11 theory paper for session 2021. So this is the revised. So this is mark distribution. First we will see about class 11, then we will see the syllabus of class 12 also. So this is the mark distribution. You can see from chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4 total 23 marks, and chapter 5, chapter 5 is also included in 23 marks, and chapter 6 and 7 and 8 17 marks, 3 chapters. Chapter 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 20 marks, and chapter 14 and 15 10 marks. Total is 70 marks. So let us now see our syllabus one by one. So first unit, chapter 1, physical world. So these are the topics which need to be discussed only. There will be no question from these topics in your board examination from chapter 1. Next is chapter 2. So you can see need of measurement, unit of measurement, system of unit, SI unit, fundamental and derived units, length, mass, time measurement, accuracy and precision of measurement, instrument errors in measurement, significant figures, dimension of physical quantity, dimensional analysis and its applications. These are topic from chapter 2. Next is our chapter 3, motion in a straight line. So elementary concept of differentiation and integration. For describing motion, uniform and non-uniform motion, average speed and standard velocity, uniform acceleration motion, velocity time and position time graph. Relation for uniform acceleration motion, that is graphical treatment. The relation between u, v and a. 3 equations of motion from graphical method. Next is chapter 4, scalar vector quantity, position displacement vector, general vector and their notations, equality of vectors, multiplication of vectors by a real number, addition subtraction of vectors, relative velocity, unit vector, resolution of a vector in a plane, rectangular component, scalar and vector, product of vector, motion in a plane, case of uniform velocity and uniform acceleration, projectile motion, uniform circular motion. Next is chapter 5, initiative concept of force, inertia, Newton's law, first law of motion, momentum and Newton's second law of motion, impulse, Newton's third law of motion. These topics, all these topics have been deleted, means there will be no question in your final year examination from these topics, but you have to recapitulate only, means there is only need of a view, so you have to keep a view on these topics also for your future, but there will be no question from these topics. And next is your law of conservation of linear momentum, its application, equilibrium of concurrent forces, static kinetic friction, law of friction, rolling friction, lubricant, dynamic of uniform circular motion, centripetal force, example of circular motion. Next is chapter 6, work done by constant force and variable force, kinetic energy, work energy theorem, power, notion of potential energy of a spring, conservative forces, conservation of mechanical energy, kinetic and potential energy, that is non-conservative forces, motion in vertical, circular, elastic and elastic collision in 1 and 2 dimension. Next is chapter 7, center of mass of a two particle system, momentum conservation and center of mass of a rigid body, center of mass of uniform rod, momentum, a moment of a force, that is torque, this is called torque. Angular momentum, law of conservation of angular momentum and its application, equilibrium of rigid bodies, rigid body rotation and equation of rotation, comparison of linear and rotational motion, moment of inertia, radius of gyration, values of moment of inertia of simple geometrical objects. You don't have to worry about their derivations. There will no derivation in board examination, final examination. This is chapter 8, universal law of gravitation, acceleration due to gravity, only recapitulation and its variation with altitude and depth. Gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential, escape velocity, orbital velocity of a satellite, geostationary satellite. Chapter 9, stress strain relationship, Hooke's law, Young's modulus and bulk modulus. Chapter 10, pressure due to fluid column, Pascal's law and its application, hydraulic lift and hydraulic brake, effect of gravity on fluid pressure, viscosity, Stokes law, terminal velocity, streamline turbulent flow, critical velocity, Bernoulli's theorem and its application, surface energy, surface tension, angle of contact, excess of pressure across a curved surface, application of surface tension, ideas of drops, bubbles and capillary rise. Next is chapter 11, that is thermal property of matter, heat, temperature, only recapitulation, thermal expansion, of solid, liquid and gases, anomalous expansion of water, specific heat capacity, Cp and Cv, calorimeter, range of change of state, latent heat capacity, heat transfer, conduction, convection and three methods of heat transfer, that is conduction, convection and radiation, only recapitulation. There will be no question from this section also. This section also have been deleted. So you have to only keep a view on these topics for your future. Thermal conductivity, qualitative ideas of black body radiation, Wien's displacement law, Stephen's law, greenhouse effect. Next is chapter 12, thermodynamics. The thermal equilibrium, definition of temperature, zeroth law of thermodynamics, heat, work, internal energy, first law of thermodynamics, isothermal and adiabatic process, second law of thermodynamics, reversible and irreversible processes. Next is chapter 13, that is kinetic theory of gases, equation of state of a perfect gas, work done in compressing a gas, kinetic theory of gases, assumptions of kinetic theory of gases, concept of pressure, kinetic interpretation of pressure, root mean square, speed of gas molecule, degree of freedom, law of equipartition of energy, only statement, no need to prove it. An application to specific heat capacities of gases, concept of mean free path and Avogadro's number. Next is chapter 14. So periodic motion, time, period, frequency, displacement as a function of time, periodic function, simple harmonic motion and its equation, phase oscillation of a loaded spring, restoring force and force constant energy in SHM, simple harmonic motion, it kinetic and potential both. Simple pendulum, derivation of expression for its time period. So time period of a simple pendulum you have to derive. So derivation related to time period of simple pendulum may be asked in your board examination, that is important. Free force and damped oscillations, only quantitative ideas of these topics, and resonance. Last is your wave motion, transverse and longitudinal waves, speed and traveling, speed of traveling wave, displacement relation for a progressive wave, principle of superposition of wave, reflection of wave, standing wave in string and organ pipes, beats. So this is the last topic or final topic. And practicals, the record to be submitted by student at the time of their annual examination has to include record of at least 8 experiments, 4 from each section to be performed by the students, record of at least 6 activities to be demonstrated by the teacher. There is no investigatory project for this session. I think activities have been also deleted, but I'm not sure. To make sure, you can visit CBSE's official website for the latest news. Evaluation scheme. So these are the evaluation scheme. One experiment, 7 marks, and practical record, 7 marks, and 2 experiments on each. So in your final examination, there will be 2 experiments. In practical final board examination, you have to perform 2 experiments. After that, practical record for 7 marks and by voice. So I think activity has been reduced or deleted. You do not need to make a record of activities. So this portion, I think this portion has been deleted for the current session. So these are section A, from which you can perform experiments. Any four, you can choose any four. These are activities. And this is section B. You can choose any four experiments from this section also. These are the activities. Note: the above practical may be carried out in an experiential manner rather than recording observation. Oh, so these are prescribed books. So that's the end.